Hello, reading friends. This is Mrs. Davis, and I am glad you are joining me here in the happy place to grow, where we are growing our reading skills one sound at a time. We're going through 5 lessons a week. We're thinking about spoken words, and we're identifying the sounds that we hear. That's called phonemic awareness. And that's the very first step if you're thinking about reading skills, because later on when you see words in print, you can put sounds and words together, and that makes the reading part, the word reading, the letter recognition, and sound connection so much easier. So I'm glad that you are with me in week 6. We are on day 3, week 6, and we say it like this. If we were in school, we would be doing this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But sometimes we have a day off of school, or maybe you have an appointment and you don't get to school that day. So we're just saying with these, it's the same thing. If it says Wednesday, but you have something to do on Wednesday, then just pick this up when you can, but do all 5 days, because the practice is what makes permanent. So let's get started on day 3, week 6. Our first activity, you know what it is. It's rhyme time. We're thinking about words that sound the same in the middle and the end. The middle part is the vowel, and the ending sound is the last sound, and those 2 things make the rhyme. Sometimes the ending sound is the vowel sound, so there's just one. But we're going to be identifying the rhyme in each pair that we hear. So I'll say a pair of words that rhyme. You'll repeat, and then we'll think about what rhyme we hear, or what chunk of that word is the part that rhymes. That's the same in both of the words. Here we go. And these are super quick, so we've got this. Pace, face. Now you say it. What part rhymed in pace and face? Did you say ace? Excellent. Let's keep going. Mean bean. Oh, that sounds funny. Mean bean. Repeat that. What part sounds the same in both of those words? Mean and bean. Did you say een? Excellent. Keep on going. You've got this. Side, hide. Repeat. What rhymes? I'd. Joke, poke. Repeat it. It was joke, poke. What was the same? Oak. Awesome. Okay, we have one more set. Game, name. You say it. What's alike about those 2 words? Yes, aim. Good job on our rhyme time. All right, we're going to activity 2. On this activity, we're going to be thinking about the beginning sound that we hear in a word. So I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and you're going to think about the first sound that you hear, and you're going to identify that. You're going to say it out loud, and then I'll check your progress by telling you the sound, and you can thumbs me up if you got it right. All right. Yes, I'm watching here in my little studio. I can see if you're thumbsing up. Okay, here we go. Beginning sound. The word is beak. You repeat it. Beak. What's the beginning sound? What's the first sound? B. Right. Here's our next word. New. The word was new. Now you say it. Can you identify or say the beginning sound? Excellent. So far, so good. All right, here we go. Head. What's the beginning sound? Say head, and then say out loud the beginning sound. Did you say head? Listen, head. Hear that? That's the first sound. Remember, we're thinking about spoken words and we're identifying sounds. First step to reading success. We. You repeat it. What's the first sound? Did you say we? Right. One more. Paint. You say it. What's the first sound in paint? Yeah, it's p. Paint. Awesome. Now, let's get a smash burger. You know I love smash burger. We're thinking about how sometimes in reading there will be very large words, and sometimes those large words are made up of two smaller words. We're thinking about small word, and putting the two small words together to create that big word, okay? So, small word, big word. I'm going to do it, then you copycat me. All right, here we go. Grasshopper, grasshopper. You do it. Let's do the next one. Camp, fire. Those are the two small words. If we put camp and fire together, we have campfire. You do it. Okay, let's do another. Evergreen, evergreen. Small word. Good. Evergreen, evergreen. Okay. Mailbox, mailbox. You do it. And our final smash burger, hair, cut, haircut. You do it. We smashed them up good, didn't we? Okay, now on this fourth activity, we are going to be thinking about the last sound we hear. So in activity 2, we were thinking about the first sound, the initial sound. Now we're going to be thinking about the very last sound that we hear. So I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to think about the very last sound. I want you to repeat and see if you can tell me at home the last sound that you hear. All right, here we go. Seed. Now you say seed. What's our final sound? Did you say D? Right. Let's do another. Played. Repeat. What's the last sound in played? It's D again. All right, final one for this group. Should. You say it, and it should be getting easier because all 3 words ended with D. And that D is a very quick sound. Excellent. Let's keep going. Him. Repeat it. What's our final sound in him? It's Them. You say it. The final sound is again. Last one. Roam. And our final sound should be easy by now. Awesome. We identified ending sounds D and Now let's go to our next activity, which is unsmash it. I love smash burger because we're taking the small word, and putting it together. In activity 5, we are going to pull it apart. It's like pulling stretchy cheese, you know? So we'll have the whole word, and then we'll break it up into smaller parts. Okay, here we go. Earache, ear, ache. Now you do it. Start with earache, pull it apart. Super. Let's do another one. Pillowcase, pillowcase. Now your turn. Start with the whole word. Pull it apart, pull it apart. Good. All right, let's do the next one. Raindrops, raindrops. You do it. All right, let's keep going. Watermelon, watermelon. You do it. Whole word. Pull apart, pull apart. Great. One more. Sweatshirt, sweat shirt. You do it. That's the way to unsmash the burger. Okay, it's time for the alphabet, alphabet, alphabet. I've got my chart up here, so we're going to sing the ABCs together, and then I'm going to quiz you. I'm going to point to some alphabet letters and see if you're able to identify. Okay, I'm looking for my pointer. I've got this one with me. Made a mistake and brought the rake. Okay. You know, the alphabet is really important. It's something that is a big focus in younger grades, but we definitely need to be able to recognize the letters and then connect letters and sounds. And that's what that cute little song is that we've been singing since we were, I don't know, 2 years old or whatever. But it definitely was the foundation for us to be readers and spellers. So let's sing it together. I'm going to tune up me, 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 me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we've sung our ABCs. I'm so glad that you joined with me. All right, here's the test. I'm going to point to a letter. See if you can say it at home. Are you ready? Good. O. Easy breezy. D. S. Snaky, snaky. You better know that one, right? And you better know that one. Good, let's do 2 more. Great job on your alphabet. All right, the final activity that we're going to be working on is our rhyme, Starlight, Starbright. We've been doing this together. We're thinking about putting rhyming words in a little sing-songy rhyme. I mean, I don't even know how else to describe it. I've always called them little rhymes. And this one's called Starlight, Starbright, where you're making a wish. I'm going to say the whole rhyme. And then I'm going to take each line and say it slow, and I want you to repeat it. Then we're going to say it together. We really need to do our practice because tomorrow I'm going to leave some words out of Starlight, Starbright. Okay? All right, here we go. I'm saying the whole thing. Starlight, star bright. First star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have this wish I wish tonight. It was always fun when it was dark, especially in the summer. And I would go out and I would look for the first star. And I really did make a wish. It's kind of fun to imagine that your wish could come true if you wished on the first star of the night sky. All right, I'm going to say line by line slowly, and I'm going to let you repeat it. Star, light, star, bright. First star I see tonight. Now you repeat. Good. I wish I may. I wish I might. Are you repeating? Good. This is the longest part of the rhyme. Have this wish I wish tonight. Now you say it. Have this wish. Excellent. Let's say it together. Star, light, star, bright. First star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might. Have this wish I wish tonight. Great. Now let's see if we can identify the rhyming words. Remember, a rhyme is if it sounds the same in the middle and the end. There were several rhyming words in this rhyme. Star, light, star, bright. First star I see tonight. Let's see. Star, light, star, bright. So bright, light, and bright. And then there was one more. Tonight. Hear the I-t. So light, bright, tonight. I wish I may. I wish I might. There's the other one. Might. So light, bright, tonight, and might. They all have that rhyming section. I have this wish I wish tonight. See how that kind of flows together with those rhyming words? You know, if you think about a lot of poems and songs and even stories, when there's words that rhyme, it makes the story flow, and it's easier to read if you're thinking about what's alike about a word with the sounds that we hear. Now, here is your challenge. I want you to practice that rhyme at home with your family members. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have this wish I wish tonight. See if you can say it on your own. Tomorrow's challenge is going to be, I'm going to leave out some words. We'll see if you can put them in. That's a fun game. All right, readers, thanks for joining me on day 3. Tomorrow, day 4, we will continue lesson 6. All right, I'll see ya tomorrow.